Bukas ko na lang usapan. round faces. Pete Felstein stars as Molly and spent the pre-production period and the shoot living with Caitlin Deaver.
So it's like 2 months living together, and just they met were really helpful and beautiful and special, and it's like some of my favorite memories are just being Caitlin in pajamas, eating pancakes, running lines. We lived together and it was very fun. There was a lot of pancakes at 2 p.m. after a very long night shoots, getting home at like 6 a.m.
It's the last day. I should do high school. I need to go maybe a couple of days. Just graduating, head off to college. I should do it, right?
We will persist.
I can't hear you. I can't sound good class. Director Olivia Wilde has worked a long time on the movie and sees it as an example of what you can do if you set your mind to it.
This is really evidence of believing in your dreams. I mean, to not just like overly earnest, but it's really true. It is all about commitment and really kind of going for it. I mean, this is all of this is evidence of what happens when you just kind of leap in and commit 100% and give your heart to something.
Olivia Wilde, she has my heart and will always have my heart. I think that she is an incredible person. She's inspired me in so many ways. She is the warmest, most intelligent, most ridiculously cool human being, and I think the combination of those three things created this movie. There's no other person I think that's this film because she is ridiculously smart.
You see someone like running at this amazing speed with this, going to the gate, covering this massive distance in such a short amount of time, this whole thing. You're just like,
She is so hardworking, so brilliant, so humble, so kind. I cannot say enough positive, amazing adjectives about her. And it inspired me to be a better actress, a better human, and to be a director. I mean, she's awesome.
Is this? Oh my God.
My cast is extraordinary. They are diverse, they are hilarious, they are brilliant, they are some of them brand new to this business, some of them veterans, and they are so wonderful together. And I think they form a group that will define a generation.
Olivia has been saying this and talking about what's not like you can't really fake chemistry, and I 100% believe in that. But with Beanie and I, we immediately fell in love with each other, and I think it made that friendship all the more better because it just is. It's about these two people who are in love with each other and they're soulmates and they're ride or die best friends.
this feels so fresh and so new. Their faces, their rhythms, their timing, the way that they, gel and congeal as an ensemble. They all became, good friends. So lovely to see. There's no cynicism there. They really just, even if the characters were enemies, they all still, became close to it.
Well, the thing is that the shotgun, just kidding, I don't have one. The audience through Molly learns that everyone is really multifaceted and really layered. And I think the film really asks you to see people in a different way, to like actually communicate with people so you can get to know them properly and not just stereotype them.
Don't judge a book by its cover. You never know who someone is until you really get to know them and get under their skin. So, yeah, don't judge people. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge yourself. This movie is so great because every woman in it is hysterical and all in different ways. And you need more of that.
Don't say we're going to do my fight. It's from your parents in Berlin. But you two have is special.
It really shows how much we care about each other. Probably just do a crayon face mask.
I don't need to know all the words. This is what happens when we don't respect women. Up next, Seth Rogen's sleeper hit stars 3 young school kids who just want to party. In Good Boys.
They just throw you lines like out of the blue and they're like super like funny. It was really hard to like keep your like cool and that's it. You guys run around with drugs. I was frat guys. And what they got in a convenience store. What I know this baby's a dildo. We're bad. We're so bad. We're bad. We're so bad.
school for the day to go on an epic trip with some stolen rugs to finally reach the party of their dreams.
It was important to have a good, real story that has like a lot of emotion. And when you're a kid at that age, like your friends are everything to you. And it is like or death. What's going to happen to you if you like go into high school and middle school?
You do not want to go to someone's party now. You just put out my neighbor. She's a little Lithuanian.
If Stranger Things, go yourself.
We had three great kids who like really come around right there. So it's nice to have that part of it. Yeah.
They're comedic geniuses. They're so kind. Very collaborative. They love improv, so they're wonderful. Oh, bingo. What is it? I have no idea. That's a tampon. What's it for? Go shove it up their buttholes and stuff babies.
Good evening, everyone.
Pretty new stars as Thor and was super excited that he got to do his own stunts.
One of the scenes, we did like school rock, and I had to jump from a table and do like a 180 in the air and land on a sofa. So that was a lot of fun, and I did my own stunt.
Grade for the for the first time on this shoot. And he's a super phenomenal actor too. They're all so funny in such different ways.
This is a really pretty CPR though. I need someone first. Stop! What are you doing? Kissing her? You can't kiss someone without my permission. Remember from assembly? Pretend it's Brixley. Try to be a gentleman. Okay. Brixley, can I kiss you? Why? Why? Yeah. What do you like about me? Well, you're sweet, you smell good, you're smart too. You always push Henry in his wheelchair even when he's super neat. And just when I think I've got you figured out, you go ahead and start skateboarding. I can sing.
Keith L. Williams stars as Lucas, and found one particular scene was pretty challenging.
The gag ball scene. It was hard to do, like, because I was like actually like choking, you know? Yeah, so it was like really hard to do.
Keith, who was Jasper in the last one, so getting to see him and work with him again. Again, I also know and love his family, so it's very exciting to be a part of that. I feel very connected.
Sorry, we just want to go and have a kiss. It's not a business. We should have just told the truth. We're going to a kissing party, and none of us have ever kissed, and we're scared. God damn it, Lucas. I've had sex before, but I've never kissed a girl. Look, can I please have the joke back? If you don't give it back, I'll tell my dad you stole it. And I'll tell him that you're a burger. We'll tell the whole school. This is sexual harassment.
We'll tell everyone that you're a misogynist.
You're a misogynist anyone.
This is what happens when you don't respect women.
I respect women. My mom's my best friend.
Hello, good evening, Sis Juliatin.
One audience is to know that the movie actually has a cool story and a lot of heart.
I mean, if it was just a bunch of kids being married, it would not go down well. But it's got heart. Still be pretty funny.
Hey kids, as you know, I am one of the producers of the movie Good Boys, and unfortunately, very bad news. You guys cannot watch the trailer for your own movie.
What are you saying about it?
It's just too messed up for kids your age. There's shows, there's violence, there's swearing, and although the leads decided it's okay for you to do these things in the movie, you can't watch yourself do it in the trailer.
That's
Oh, it is.
Hi, play ha, playing ha.
Welcome to Hollywood.
We got me at set on set. It was amazing. He was so funny. He's so quick-witted, and he's just a great comedian. And I look up to him really for comedian-wise and like improv. They just throw you lines like out of the blue, and they're like super like funny. It was really hard to like keep you like cool, and that's it. It was really hard to like keep a straight face like the whole time. It was that they were learning things as they were going, and so they would get thrown a line, and then Keith or Jacob or Brady would say, "Molly, what does that mean?" And I would have to figure out if I wanted to explain it or not. We're not crossing a highway.
We've only just begun to live.
Big sleep over at my house, and that was really fun. Yeah, we
White lace and promises.
really good thing.
A kiss for luck and we're on our way. Before the rising sun we fly. So many roads Inside them all he'll learn to run. Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way, talking it over, just the two of us, walking together day to day, together. And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. There's a place where there's home to grow. Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way. Talking it's over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together. And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where little girls want to grow. We've only just begun. Sis Juliatin and 8 viewers, good evening. I have a song for you. The hardest things I ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never knew. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps to say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I high enough for me. Hi, Ma'am Jean. I know, paos ako, paos. I need to be in love. I know I wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a one and perfect world, and fall enough to think that's what I find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight. hanging on a hope that I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time now playing Mom Jean Busbel. I know I asked perfection of a Ay ala, ano na pala? Tapos na pala si Shalihatin. Arlen D, good evening. Vincent Sus.
Maybe it's the apocalypse.
Good evening, everyone. Ma'am Jean, kakanta ako ngayon ha. Kasi umuulan. Say it would be better if we stopped being each other. If you had only met the first when you were free. 'Cause now you've got commitment. I should not expect things from you that you can't give to me. Oh, but baby, can't you see? I can't say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Letter of... Hindi na ako kabalo. Hindi na ako marunong. Please don't let this feeling end. Ano ni kanya? Marunong. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side, makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'd never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess that I'm really trying to say it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. Words can express how much I love you. I had the feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's so much dear for you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the right comes and deep in your arms, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. You just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe it's just smile in your heart. Since you came into my life, sa title sa MVP is olive oil. A sleepless night. Oh, tingnan ko yan. Oh, oh, oh. Must have been colder in my shadow to never have sunlight in your face. You are content to let me shine just your way. You always walk a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, and you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. Beautiful smile behind the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. You got it all. What is this just memory? Known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But is this all we'd ever be? And have you ever since you are a friend? Day after day I must face the world. Bell Mix TV, good evening, boss. Playing ako sa iyo, boss, ha. Tatlo kayo ni Ma'am Lynn at ni Ma'am Jean. Ma'am Jean, ito sa iyo, oh. Ito naman sa iyo, Boss Bell. Swimming. At dito naman si Ma'am Lynn. Tatlo kayo naka-play sa akin ngayon. Nagugutom ako, Boss Bell. Nag-iisa ako ngayon dito sa bahay.
It must keep going as a vehicle, but also the psychology and it needs to continue the characters.
You could just walk away.
Very, very complicated and I have no idea how to yeah, having to know that it has been this.
Yeah. Billy Claver, good evening. Brent Aidan. Wow! Happy birthday, Boss Bell. Ipasa mo naman sa akin dito, nagugutom ako. Kahit na burger lang. Wala akong kain ngayon, Boss Bell. Ito lang energy. Nagsaing naman ako, wala akong ulam. Kasi nag-iisa ako dito ngayon. Tinatamad ako magluto. Ito lang, oh. Energy. Ay, hindi makikita. Energin lang. Sapat na to. Ma'am Jean supporter. Keeper Cedric. Belly Clover. I feel in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face. But lately, little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. It's what you want is not natural for me. I won't pretend to give you what I am, I have to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind. For all your expectations, love can never be designed. We either take each other for everything we are, or live the life we made behind and make a brand new start. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times. I'm not so long ago. And I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Such a feeling coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, get the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming through, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest things to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's still in me the things that not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasant sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. Must have been love, but it's all for the eye. Hindi ko na. There's another woman in love. I'm strong, I'm sure. I'm in control. A lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say. I do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a far out of control. Just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak. I'm feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stare and I tremble like a child. That wanting me look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make it. Can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire on control, just another fool. You touch me, I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or I really lying here with you. Baby, you take me into your arms. And though I'm wide awake, I know my dreams is coming through. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. There I go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Magic. It must be magic. The way I hold you and the night just seems so fly. Good evening, rain abs. Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven is the moment when I look into your eyes. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. There I go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Thank you, Mom. Rain Abs. Ma'am, sandali, Ma'am, ha. I-play kita, Ma'am, ha. Ma'am, thank you for coming, Ma'am. Thank you, Sissy. Thank you, Sissy Rain Abs. Ma'am Rain, Asis, andito ako sa video mo. Play all kita. Dito ako sa playlist mo. Dito ako sa... Ang laki na ng bahay mo. 12,000 kapin. Dito ako sa Premier Videos. Ma'am Rain ads. Kakanta ako kasi umuulan. Ito ang favorite ko na kanta. If I Ever Fall in Love Again. You, I know you've everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But I ever fall in love again. Hindi. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. Baba ang intro ko kanina, kaya hindi ko nakuha. Scared I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know when your heart, it's hard to let someone inside. Lalaki babae kasi to. And in your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Oh, so I ever fall in love again. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. Yan lang. Health Hankers, good evening. Thank you so much for coming. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the finally made. I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Health a hackers. I'm here in your channel. Hello. Ay, tapos na pala ako. Siksik sa laman. Pudina, kaniki, tenbade. I don't know. I never had someone on your face. Ay. Bakit naka-ano siya? Naka-airplane mode na ko. I'm ready out to fly. Oh, oh, oh. Uy.
You really want to do this, little girl?
I think I've always approached the character in a very physical way, but of course, due to the fact that it's an action role, it's been on another level.
You get the physical shape with her trainer. She gave everything.
No movie that I've ever done before has the lead actor taken on the physical challenges the way it is, and it's taken on the physical challenges a lot.
Trained really hard for months with the stunt coordinators to handle the stunts.
I really felt it being very empowering. You know, I felt extremely feminine.
I think we're really, they're the perfect Lara Croft.
You messed with the whole family.
Okay, good. That's a wrap.
I need a vacation from running everyone else's vacation. And I just had this.
Boats that disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle were seen in the movie. Short film Honey. Mavis is reading a travel brochure for the crew seen in this movie. Erica, voiced by Catherine Hahn, is the second female antagonist by some people.
Health Hunkers, thank you so much. Mom Jean, TV Mix, Bell Mix TV, thank you so much. In her arms, I me shelter, me warm. Keep me warm. Health Hunkers, thank you so much.